It's scheduled the latest as far as the state of Karnataka is concerned. Karnataka's political landscape is abuzz with speculation after Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and several key Congress leaders gathered for a dinner hosted by Minister Satish Jarkiholy. A dinner meeting held at the residence of Jarkiholy is considered close to Siddaramaiah has sparked speculations amid the ongoing power tussle within the ruling Congress over the CM post. Attendees included Ministers G. Parameshwara, H.C. Mahadevappa, B.Z. Zamir Ahmed Khan, M.C. Sudhakar and MLAs, all of them close to Siddaramaiah. The gathering comes after a dinner on the night of 17th of December where Jarkiholy hosted over 30 legislators at a hotel.
ಯಾವ ಬರವಣಿಗೆನೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ನಾನು 5 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ. ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ,
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾವು.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇರೋದು,
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಜಾತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಂತೋಷ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ,
4-5 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ಬೇರೆ
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ.
I don't know why people give so much of importance for a private dinner which keeps happening on a regular basis. It was just a casual event which was just happened like that, and Honorable CM also stayed hardly for 5-10 minutes. Absolutely, there is no crisis within the party, within the government. Congress High Command is seized of the developments what's happening here, and we are all very responsible members of the party, and we know our limitations. And Honorable CM and DCM both have said that whatever party High Command takes a decision, we will abide by that.
Since 6 months, this dinner politics are taken places in Karnataka state. Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable DCM and some of the senior members are joining the dinner meeting. A lot of discussion is taken place in this Belgaum Adhivesan regarding the Uttar Karnataka, and the solution for that CM has to reply. I think he has replied. Government has to reply, and some rectification, some finance allocation is needed. Only discussion of the North Karnataka is satisfactory, not solution.